How to see stores you are following on AliExpress. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see stores you are following on AliExpress. To do so, first of all, open your AliExpress application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you'll be able to locate the account icon. Tap on it, and by doing so, in the space at the top left, you'll be able to see your profile picture icon or the username. Tap on it, and in this profile page here under My Post and Followers, you'll be able to see following option. Simply tap on this following, and again here you will need to tap on this following option. So by following these steps, you should be able to see the stores you are following on AliExpress. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.